Welcome to Nihongo with Amaya. Learn Japanese with joy and confidence. Let's learn days of the week in Japanese. Yobi means day. The days of the week are common in JLPT N5 listening and kanji questions. So let's get started. Getsuyobi, Monday. Getsuyobi, Monday. The kanji has two readings. Chuki means moon and Getsu means month. So you can remember it easily as Monday is Moonday. So Getsuyobi, Monday. Tuesday is Kayobi. The kanji he means fire. So we can easily remember it as Tuesday is the fire day. Kayobi, Tuesday. Wednesday is Suyobi. The kanji can be read as Mizu meaning water. So Wednesday is literally the water day. So Suyobi means Wednesday. Thursday is Mukyobi. The kanji is read as Ki meaning tree. So Thursday is the tree day or wood day. So Mukyobi means Thursday. Friday is Kinyobi. The kanji can be read as Kane meaning gold or money. So Friday becomes the gold day. Easy to remember. So Friday is Kinyobi. Saturday is Doyobi. The kanji is read as Suchi meaning earth or soil. So Saturday is the earth day. So Doyobi means Saturday. Nichiyobi is Sunday. The kanji can be read as he meaning sun or day. So Sunday is literally the sun day. Sunday is Nichiyobi. Non-yobi, what day? Now it's your turn. Kyou wa non-yobi desu ka? What day is today? Comment below. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you for watching.